Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Moncton, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is here to help you plan your local and long-distance moving projects. Don't get drowned out by the logistics involved and let one of our professional movers take care of the details for you. We assist in commercial and residential moves for the Moncton, New Brunswick area. We will give you all the information necessary for you to make an informed decision. The first thing you should do when moving long distance is getting an estimate. An on-site inspection is the best way to do that. You also need to make sure that said estimate is in writing and check whether it's fixed price or not. 3 Movers will provide you with such an estimate, and we will make sure that all relevant charges are included. This way you don't have to go through mental gymnastics to get an organized plan. The temptation to take care of your local move by yourself is probably very strong, but based on previous experience, we don't recommend it. Local movers are easier and cheaper than long-distance ones, but there are still a lot of things to consider. What might have seemed like an easy process can quickly turn into a lengthy and frustrating affair. When you work with us, you won't have to worry about all the details. You can go ahead and start working on your new place and let us take care of getting everything there. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Moncton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.